this video, we're going to talk about why right now is the perfect time. Make sure you watch the video all the way through, because somewhere in this video, don't know if it's the beginning or end or the middle, I'm going to talk about doing a giveaway of cash and free services. So stay tuned. What's going on, everybody? It's your favorite guy in the hoodie, J Knows Credit, back with another video. I want to thank everyone for all the great comments, whether it's positive or negative, and thank you for all of my subscribers, okay? And if you haven't already, if you like the content, make sure you share this information with somebody else. Share the video, share the channel. I do appreciate all of those shares and all of the comments. And by the way, I will be doing some giveaways for comments, okay? I'll just do random giveaways, and I'll go through different comments and I'll do different giveaways. So make sure, if you're an avid watcher of the channel, and if you're not, please subscribe and become one. But I'll be doing giveaways for that, okay? As well as I'm going to talk about a new giveaway here in a few minutes, not just for commenting, but one that involves something on your part, okay? So first, let's start off with why this is the perfect time, okay? It's the perfect time to get credit repair because a lot of companies do not have the staffing in place in order for them to respond to everything that's being disputed, okay? So you've got different systems that do it electronically, but there's also some companies where they have to actually get direct mailing in response to different types of disputes, okay? And they have to respond within that 30-day time frame, but also know that there's an extension of 15 or 14 days. I call about 45 days, okay? So you really have 45 days. Let me say the companies and the bureaus have 45 days in order to get things removed off of your credit. Now, can they do some type of special thing right now for the time we're living in and watching this live? This is around the coronavirus time, if you're not watching this live, but can they make some type of extension at some point where they're saying, well, because of the virus, they're going to allow some extensions? That is a possibility, but as of right now, there hasn't been anything written that I've found online from any website that they're going to be giving people automatic extensions, okay? So even though with the credit bureaus can be short-staffed, as well as these companies that you're disputing with, okay? And everything could be accurate, but they may not be able to respond because they're short-staffed, because they're not there, because, all these companies are closing, and, those letters are still being sent out. And, if you're doing them yourself or you're having a company do it, those things should be certified. So there's proof that you sent that information in and they didn't respond right now until there's a law passed or anything that changes inside of the stipulations of how things are removed off your credit report, which I don't see that happening, but it's still a possibility. But if they don't respond in that time frame, it has to come off your credit report, okay? So this is the perfect time to get in place, lock in, and repair your credit. If you don't know the right wording, if you don't know how, if you need help, pay for a service, whether that's with J Knows Credit or with any other company that you particularly trust. Make sure that they are attacking it for you, because wording is everything. Wording is everything. It's not just, I just send a letter. You have to have some type of punch in that letter, okay? And so, right now, if you do want to get those services, you can reach out to us at 1-8333-J-KNOWS. That's 1-833-556697. You can also send an email to inquiry, that's INQUIRY, at jknowscredit.com, okay, if you're interested in us doing your services. We also have a calendar. We are on Calendly. You can do calendly.com/jknowscredit. Go up there and schedule a consultation, and all those links will be in the description of this video. So if you hit that little gray triangle arrow button pointing down, you'll see all the links and all the information on how to contact us. All right, you also see some links down here about how to set up any primary trade lines. Maybe you don't have any primaries healthy accounts that are in good standing on your credit. So why not build your credit at the same time as you're getting it repaired or as we're getting it repaired? Okay, so you'll see those links on there for those primary trade lines. Maybe you can't get approved for a primary right now. Okay, and for those of you who already have fantastic credit, with having fantastic credit, you can take advantage of all these 0% interest credit cards. And I'm gonna have a couple of links for some credit cards that are 0% interest on this video, as well as some that are not, just have some good reward programs on those cards. So with getting it through a referral link, you can get even more money through those bonuses. So there's nothing that's going to be wrong with clicking on my link to get the referral compared to just going to the website. It's just that we're both going to get an additional benefit, whether it's a statement credit or an extra bonus of points, just by using the links in the description. Okay, so if you find any of those credit cards that you like, that you want to join, that you want to sign up for, I would definitely suggest Amex and Discovers that I'll have down here in this links. But you know, take advantage of those credit cards. Use that leverage to your advantage. You know, use it to buy some stocks, or use it to invest in some cryptocurrency, or use it to buy something and resell it, do some drop shipping. But do something with this opportunity with your credit. You can leverage your credit to get a lot further ahead. And a lot of people look at this as a setback. This is not a setback. This is a perfect time for you to get in position of, you know, great finances, you know, get in position to actually have some wealth if you don't already have wealth. Okay, but you know, accumulate more if you do already have it. Okay, so getting to the giveaways, I'm going to be doing giveaways for people who are following me on Instagram. If you're following me on Instagram at JayKnowsCredit, that's JayKnows credit, you definitely need to go follow me there. You need to like pictures. The more pictures you can like, the better. I'm tracking all likes, and I'm tracking all comments on my Instagram page. And you also have to tell me, you got to tell me something you've learned from my YouTube channel. All right, you can send that to me in direct message on Instagram. Tell me what you've learned from this YouTube channel so far. Okay, and so the best answers and combinations with the likes and the comments, I would choose that person, either to give them some cash right now or to give them free services, depending on what they need the most. Okay, so but thank you all for watching. You'll see a new video here every Friday, whether it's we're in a coronavirus quarantine or not. You'll see a new video. But thank you all for watching, and God bless you. God bless your finances. Don't forget that credit is queen. Jay out.